traveling with a protective style makes life easier, but only if you do it the right way. Here's 5 rules I never break when traveling with a protective style or if you're traveling with your own hair. These 5 rules are also going to help you to keep your hair moisturized and protected while you're on your trip. And since today is Cyber Monday, you get a free ebook bundle with your order. Everything is $10 and you get a free satin scarf, the extra large one. This rule actually does not apply to me because this is a quick weave. But let's say you're on your cruise or you're on your trip or traveling with braids or some other form of protective style or even your hair. You want to make sure that you keep your scalp healthy and happy. How do you do that? Easy. Get a warm washcloth and a little bit of Clarify and Refresh. You're not going to set it up like you would do if you were going to shampoo your hair. You're just going to add a small amount with some lukewarm water. Clean in between the scalp in regards to between your parts. Number 2, you want to make sure that you keep your hair hydrated no matter what style you have. Now again, this does exclude a quick weave like what I'm wearing, but to be quite honest, if I was to ever go on another cruise, I probably would not wear a quick weave. I more than likely wear braids or twists because I can be able to get to my scalp and get to my hair a lot easier. If your hair is out, this is when you want to be using our Hydra Plus Daily Moisture Cream, which is a lightweight hair dress, or this is one of the exceptions that I always tell you guys. You can use any one of our lightweight water-based leave-in conditioners to spray or mist on your hair to keep the hair hydrated. Rule number 3, you want to make sure that you're protecting your skin, your hair, and your body from over-excessive sun exposure, pool water, and of course salt water. I know you guys see this big gigantic ocean behind me, and as amazing as it sounds, when we get into the pool water, guess exactly what it does, or even the salt water for that. Salt water extracts moisture. It pulls all of the moisture out of your hair, out of your skin, and out of everything around it. No different from pool water. Chlorine is extremely drying. If by chance you get in the water, I know you want to get your hair wet, I know you want to feel revived and refreshed and relaxed, well guess what? After you get out of the pool water, you need to make sure that you are going and rinsing that hair thoroughly by utilizing some warm water and at least the Elite Refresh and Clarify. Another thing that I want to make sure you guys understand, when you get into the salt water, please, children and adults, you're not excluded. You need to make sure that after you rinse your hair, if you do go back into the pool water, you're going to do this process all over again. Now again, this is not going to touch any type of water, but let's say I was to fall into the pool, guess what? This would be coming out and my hair would be getting washed because my hair is just as important as this quick weave. Number 4, you want to make sure that you avoid any heavy creams and excessive oils. Why? Because braids and twists don't like to be feeling clogged, especially when you're already perspiring and the cuticle is wide open. Make sure that if you are going to be applying any hair care products, that you're applying lightweight water-based products until you get back off of your trip. And at that time, you're going to do a full-on wash day. But avoid the heavy creams and avoid the heavy oils. And number 5, which is one of the most important, please don't stress about your hair. Don't worry so much about your hair. I want you to just keep in mind that all of these tips and tricks that I just gave you are those that we want to make sure that we implement. But the biggest part of this that I want you to do is to remember to have fun. This is not about hair. I haven't curled my hair in 2 days. Thank you, Jesus. This is about enjoying your time and making sure that you're just implementing these little bitty tips whenever you can. Now remember, today is Cyber Monday and we're giving away a free satin scarf as well as some free ebooks that you can use for your hair care and hair care success. I want you to jump over to EliteHairCareUSA.com, shop our $10 sale that ends tonight at midnight, and please share this video with your family and friends and don't forget to subscribe. Love ya!